The last. Jonah, you have it?
Great woman of mathematics.
No, that doesn't look like it's working. Does anybody have an extra pencil?
No, I might.
You have
I
one?
have a question. No.
For Eli?
Go to the math department.
You are, what do you mean the math
Or like
department?
the math place.
Yeah, what page are we on? We're on page 7. Page 7.
He's a sophomore.
Mine do A.
Okay, hold on. Let me explain first.
Oh.
So we have multi-step equations. Multi meaning more than one, right? So we've done one-step equations with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now what happens when we have multiple steps? Okay, so again, when it says solve, that means we want to isolate the variable. Isolate means, okay, so we want to get everything to cancel and get the variable all by itself. Okay? So what we need to do is we are going to work backwards to isolate the variable. So if I have 2a minus 6 equals 4, okay, I have, okay, so we want to, if you think of order of operations, usually we do multiplication or division first before we do addition subtraction. But in solving multi-step equations, we're going to do the addition or subtraction first and then multiplication or division. So yes, we're going to do plus 6 on both sides.
Because,
so these are going to cancel.
Yeah.
We get 2a. Okay, guys, please don't call out right now. Okay, Kobe, what did I just say? Do not call out. Let me walk you through the first couple. Okay, so then we get to divide both sides by 2. Okay, a equals 5. Now, you can check your solution. This is going to be up to you. I don't need to see the work, but 2 times a, so 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. That does check.
Oh, that makes sense.
Okay, so we can always plug it back in to make sure that it works.
Wait, so then for 7, you would do minus 7 on both sides?
Good. So I say 3r plus 7. So we always want to get rid of the plus or the minus part first.
Yeah.
So how do we cancel a plus 7?
Minus 7.
Minus 7.
What's the date?
And you get 1 equals 3r. So then
22nd.
3r would be 1/3.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Now, 1 is not divisible by 3, so we just have the fraction
1/3.
1/3. Okay? 1/3.
Yay.
Could I also write R equals 1/3?
Yeah, you can put the r equals 1/3 at the end. Okay, raise your hand if you can help me with C. All right, Eli.
So you subtract 21 on each side.
Minus 21 on each side. So we get T.
Over 8 equals 14. Then times
Wait, what's 14 minus 21?
7 minus 21.
Are you Eli? No.
Minus 7.
Negative 7, good.
And then times 8 over 1.
And then the 8s cancel, and we get,
equals minus 40. No, minus 56.
good,
And then
good. T equals negative 56. Again, you could go back here. Negative 56 divided by 8 would be negative 7. Negative 7 plus 21 is equal to 14. Okay, D, I have k minus 12 all divided by 5 is equal to 4. Now, normally we would take care of the addition or subtraction first, but this time it's the whole thing.
Why would we take care of the addition or subtraction first?
Well, no, normally we would, but not this case because we treat k minus 12 all as one part. So we want to get rid of the 5. Yeah,
I'm really
Jack.
confused. While we normally do that, if it kind of goes against whatever Pam does.
No, because we work backwards.
Right.
Okay, working backwards from PEMDAS. Now, in this case, though, it's the whole thing k minus 12 over 5. So first thing we want to do is multiply both sides by 5.
Wait, what? Doesn't make sense. Oh.
I got to get rid of the 5.
Yeah.
So I have k minus 12 equals 20. Good, and then I'm going to add 12 to both sides. Oh, somebody's phone.
Motto in mind.
I think it's mine.
No, I think it's mine.
No, but I don't think it's mine.
Okay, shh.
I know that.
A equals 30.
Yeah, it's not mine.
So smart.
I'll check mine.
Okay.
It's probably mine, though.
I think
Okay.
it was mine.
Yeah, I'll make sure it's not mine. I'll sell it.
Yes, it is. It's number 6. It's the one that's really cooked.
So I have to get rid of the negative 2. How do I get rid of the negative 2?
Times
Times.
a negative 2. So negative
Okay, so n plus 1 equals negative 30. And then we're going to subtract 1.
Wait, but if you subtract, it's negative, so it's not.
It's negative. Yeah, it's got to be. If you have a negative and a negative, when you combine these, we get the negative 31.
Oh, Miss Katie, can I do the next one, please?
Okay, go ahead. What do we need to do first?
D minus 1.
Good. So I subtract 1 from both sides.
It's 2.
Thirds, D.
Equals 6. Equals 4.
Good.
So this is where you have to do the inverse, right? So 3 over
Good.
2.
So I'm going to multiply by 3 over 2.
That cancels out.
Okay, I'm going to put 4 over 1. So remember, when we have a fraction, we have to multiply. What do we call that? Reciprocal. Or inverse. So Kobe said inverse, Jonah said reciprocal. They're the same thing.
So then D. So then
Okay,
D
so D.
equals 12 over 2, which is equal to 6. So D equals 6.
Good.
But why would you? From him.
But then
6
I-
over
but
1,
you
which is
simplify
6.
it.
Oh, yes, sir, Kobe. Okay, money.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh.
I think this is Jonah.
Okay. Good. Questions?
Are you serious?
Okay. All right.
The bathroom is quickly.
Okay, next page. So we have to solve for x and for y. And then we're going to figure out what x plus y is equal to.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, so let's start with the first one. X over 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. So if I'm isolating x, the first thing I have to do is add 5 to both sides. So we're going to add 5.
What? Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, because it's like a minus 5, so you add it.
Correct. And so negative 2 plus 5, that's going to be positive 3. Good. Now I have to get rid of the divided by 3. So I have to do the opposite, which is times 3.
3 over 1.
So these will cancel.
X equals 9.
Good. Okay, now I'm going to take this equation, the other one, the 2 equals y minus 2 divided by 3. Now again, when the whole thing, y minus 2,
Times by 3.
I have to multiply by 3 first.
Guys, turn your phone off.
Yeah, actually, it's in a way.
Can I just see if it's mine really?
It's definitely Charlie's.
Okay, on the left side, 3 times 2 gives us 6.
It's mine.
There you go.
I think. I don't know. Because it says I have.
What happens with the 3's on the right side?
It's.
Oh,
they cross out.
They cross out. They cross out, and we're just left with y minus 2. So we're going to add 2.
So 8 equals y. 17. So 17. See,
Good.
17.
I'm looking specifically for x plus y. So I have to add those two results together.
8 plus 9 is
8 plus 9 gives us 17, which is C.
Oh.
Okay. Jack is out right now, so
I
can
go
you
to
wait
the
till he
bathroom?
gets back?
Can I go? I'm a girl.
Can you wait until we're done with notes? Is it an emergency?
Yeah,
Okay. All right. Do we have our calculators with us today?
I can go grab some if you want. I'll go grab some today. I'll grab
Okay, we're not going to do this.